This is about 10 minutes after my previous storm hopped the mountain, obviously. And this is not your typical thunderstorm. It's more like a monsoon. The rain has been just terrific. I don't know if I can get out here. Yeah, that's my driveway leading into my planters. Look at the plume of mud out into the lake. Damn. This just doesn't really happen much. Till now, things be changing.